Okay, so let's export our maps from here. So we go to File and Export Textures, and we've got a template here. I'm using the PBR Metallic Roughness template. So it's going to go to PNGs. You could change this to JPEGs if you wished. And then the number of bits based on the texture set, yep, 2048. And my dilation, I like to put plus diffusion, so just a little bit out. And now we need a folder to put them in, so let's go and find my little export folder. Need a new folder. There we go. Create textures. Just save that there. Select folder. And then if I select on the crate itself, it's going to give me the options. So I've got my base color roughness, metallic, normal, height and emissive. I don't want my height or emissive, I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to use all of these other ones. So let's hit export, and when it's finished we can open the output directory and it will show us what we've got. I just want to have a quick look in my normal, see if there's actually anything on it, and there is. Terrific. Okay, so in the next video what we'll do is we'll import those textures and set them up so that we can see what it looks like in Blender. So I'll talk to you then.